Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some cool dance stretches you can do after workout. This is perfect for beginners, intermediate and advanced people, just to give your muscles a breather, stretch them, relax them, cool them down. Let's get started on the mat. We're going to start out with standing poses. And the first one we're going to do, we're going to come standing. Take a deep breath in, raise your shoulders. Palms are facing forward, like you're rolling up your shoulders towards your ears. And then exhale, relax it. Inhale, palms facing forward. Roll up the shoulders towards your ears. Exhale, relax it. One more, inhale, palms facing forward. Hold, roll up the shoulders. And exhale. Now we're going to come dropping in forward fold, allowing our hamstrings to just stretch out. So we're going to fold forward, relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Just fold forward. Now slowly begin to bend your knees and lengthen back up. Push all the way to the hamstrings. Inhale, all the way down, push backwards. Now the last one, in, exhale. Stretch as much as you can now. Align your hamstrings to breathe. Stay here for 10 seconds. Soften your shoulders. You can also, beginners, you can also bend your elbows like this and allow your hamstrings to feel the load. Now we're going to rise up. We're going to try the standing quad stretch. Allow your body weight to lean towards your left hand side. Grab your right ankle and slowly stretch the right quad. Find your balance by leaning forward. Allow the legs to feel the stretch. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to challenge yourself. Add a hand stretch and come into a dancer's pose. Find your balance. Good. Take a deep breath in. Left quad stretch on the other side. Bring your body weight towards your right leg. Grab your left ankles and stretch. For 5 seconds. 4, keep stretching. 3, 2, 1. Go to dancers. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more breath and exhale. Now guys, we're going to try and open up our chest with the shoulder stretch. Interlink your fingers. Now push forward. Now extend towards the ceiling. Engage. Open up your chest forward. 5. Allow your back to join in the stretch. This is what it looks like. At the back. And exhale. Now bring the hand towards the shoulders. Roll up. 5, 4, clockwise. 3, 2, 1, anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now guys, we're going to go down into the mat. We're going to start with low crescent lunge, leaning towards the groin, especially if you had worked out on your leg area, your quads. We're going to go into it, lengthen and stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Catch your breath. We're going to stretch again into the groin, lengthen the arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to bring your hands still with the left leg in front, turn your right leg to come into a side lunge. 5, now you're stretching the right hand side. 4, into it, go deeper. 3, 2, and 1. Return back to where you started. Switch the legs. The left one comes back, low crescent lunge on the right. Inhale, sit, lengthen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into the groin again. In, stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Now, we're going to move the body weight towards the right hand side and stretch. Here, 5, find your balance. 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, return back to where you started. And now, guys, we're going to take this right leg back and come into a half split, which is also good for the hamstring. So we're not going to over push it. 3 times. In. Inhale. Out. And the last one. Good job. So the last one you hold for 5 seconds. Move over to the other side. In. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In. Hold now for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now, guys, we're going to come into this heart opener. So we are going to use the S of the back, like you're trying to form the shape S, okay? So guys, we're going to come, sit, in, open, exhale. Inhale, open. Open up the heart. Exhale. One more in. Hold for 5. And exhale. Good job. So guys, now we're going to open up the legs and come into child's pose. 20 seconds of just breathing in and resting. Ten seconds left. Good job. Now we're going to come straight to downward facing dog. Push your shoulders away from your wrists, and we're going to do some stretches here. Simple stretches. Move your legs, stretch your hamstrings. Now you're all warmed up, you're soft. So slowly move, move, move. Now we're going to go to 3-legged dog on the right. Stretch as much as you can. Stretch. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch over to the other side. 3-legged dog on the left. Lengthen, stretch. 5, 4, 3, point those toes. 2, and 1. Good. Slowly drop. Take 2 breaths. To finish up, we're going to take cat-cow. Inhale. Exhale. In. Exhale. One more breath in. And exhale. Good job. Now just to give our hands a little bit of love, we're going to rotate. 3, 2, 1. Switch over. 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. Again, it's a link. Stretch out. 5, 4. Open your chest as much as you can. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly bow forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly, you're lying down and facing up. Whew. Inhale and exhale, relax your whole body. You just did a workout and then you stretch afterwards. So the focus now is on breathing and relaxing. And we're going to go from the approach of a supine twist here and here. Take your left leg over to your right hand side. You're looking towards your left hand and you're stretching for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch over to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, finish up with some gentle butterfly flaps. Let's do 10 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, put some pressure there now. Holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Close up, people. Well done. Well done. Roll side to side. First towards your right hand side. Now towards the left. Ooh. One more towards the right. And towards the left. Now everybody come to a comfortable sitting position. Well done, you did that. So guys, this is a perfect and a simple stretch you can do after working out. It's perfect if you want to, if you're a beginner or intermediate, you prefer to stand rather than lying down. It's divided into the standing part and the mat side. So whichever one works for you, just choose it. Remember that if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave your comment. And don't forget to go to the community question to leave your messages, your questions, and your feedbacks. I'm always looking forward to your feedbacks. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video.